Bucking, running, rearing, all the things that don't behoove your health and well-being, they happen in a straight line. So our mantra is control the head, control the horse. If we can control that horse left and right, we can control their face and their butt, we can keep those things from happening. In trust, making you safer, more confident on your horse. Join the free 30-day horse help challenge to find out how. Hey, I'm Michael Gascon, the horse guru, a fifth generation horse trainer that's been blessed and fortunate to travel around the world and work with some of the world's most problematic horses. And it's my mission to help a million horse owners learn how to confidently, safely, and successfully train their horses from home for free and remember how to have fun again. But why free? Because I know after the 30-day challenge, you'll have the confidence and education you need to help your horses, your future horses, even your friends' horses. If being confident and safe with your horse is what you're searching for, click the link to join the 30-day horse help challenge.